Hi everyone, in this video what we're going to do is figure out what the limit is as x approaches 0 of x cubed divided by x minus tangent of x. Now if we were to just let x tend to 0, in the numerator we would have 0 and in the denominator we would also have 0. So in order to evaluate a limit of this form, we need to use something called L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule says that if you have a limit as x approaches c of a function f of x divided by another function g of x, this is equal to the limit as x approaches c of the derivative of f divided by the derivative of g, given that f and g are both differentiable at c and that the limit is of indeterminate form 0 over 0 or plus or minus infinity divided by plus or minus infinity. And you can apply this rule indefinitely as long as this criteria is satisfied. So you could apply it 2, 3, 4, 5 times in order to solve your problem, as long as this criteria is satisfied. Now x cubed is differentiable at 0 and so is x minus tangent of x, and we have an indeterminate form of 0 over 0, so we can apply L'Hopital's rule to this problem in order to solve it. Doing so, we have the limit as x approaches 0 of 3x squared divided by 1 minus secant squared of x. We can rewrite this as the limit as x approaches 0 of 3x squared divided by minus tangent squared of x. Notice that this limit is of indeterminate form 0 over 0 again if we let x tend to 0, so we're going to have to apply L'Hopital's rule again in order to solve it. So we're going to have the limit as x approaches 0 of 6x divided by minus 2 times tangent of x multiplied by secant squared of x. Again, this limit is of indeterminate form 0 over 0 if we let x tend to 0, so we're going to have to apply L'Hopital's rule for a third time in order to be able to solve it. Doing so, we have the limit as x approaches 0 of 6 divided by, now we will have to use the product rule here to take this derivative. Doing so, we have minus 2 times secant squared of x times secant squared of x minus 2 times tangent of x times 2 times secant squared of x times tangent of x. Now if we just let x tend to 0, in the numerator we have 6 and in the denominator we have minus 2, so our final answer to this problem is minus 3. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this content useful, please make sure to like and subscribe as it really helps the channel out. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.